Hi everyone, I am so glad that you came across my channel. So my name is Pryash and I'm originally from India, but I'm living in Switzerland since 20 years. Most of the times I spend rolling in the snow, throwing the snow on the camera, and I live in one of the buildings that you see behind me. And I also try to make like snowman and butterfly. So here I'm about to do like butterfly moves and then I will post it on to the Instagram. Well, you caught me. I'm just kidding. So I am Priyesh and I moved to Europe around 5 years ago and I'm living here in Switzerland at the moment. And this place is for vacation and skiing. And in this video, I want to take you through the room tour and here I want to give you more and more snow for you. So now let's move on to the tour. So this is my space and I want to start with showing you my lovely bathroom here. So this is the bathroom, which of course the regular amenities. You have a shelf to put all your beauty products, and then you have like a sink, of course, and that's me. And yeah, and small space for taking shower. And you have to always be mindful of not really wasting lots of water there, right? We have to be sustainable as well. And here is the picture from Varanasi, so really reminding me of my roots. Then I'm moving to a living space, which is also like kitchen, and I'm cooking here something. Here on the right side, you can see the waste that needs to be recycled. So usually in most of the European countries, you can actually recycle your waste, which really helps us to be more sustainable. So here you can see the cartons are separated and then we have like plastic bottles and then glass bottles as well. Opposite you can see a fridge, then there is another fridge there, and inside the fridge there is a lot of space, and here the poster shows the recycling days as well. Then yeah, this is the fridge, and here we have also freezer as well, where you can put all nice tasty frozen stuff. And yeah, you can see like it's quite good from Electrolux. Then on top there is like a bit of space so that you can really shove in all your cleaning items, some utensils or like use and throw utensils there. And this is the dishwasher, which is quite handy, and at least you do not have to wash your dishes by yourself. And there are products come for the cleaning which are put in these cabinets. Here is the cabinet for putting the utensils and your eatables. Then again utensils. Here is the microwave, which you can actually use to bake, and oven, and then the stove, ventilator, which you can actually switch it on and off like this by sliding simply. Then here is like a more storage space, so lots of spice, oil, salt. Then again storage space. There are some more utensils here, nice crockeries, plates, glasses. Then we have here more space for the cups, and it's mostly for the leftover cups that cannot be fit in there. Then yeah, we can always empty this and put it back, all these plates there. Then yeah, here you can have like more stuff for yourself. This is how the kitchen looks like, quite good storage. Then that's the sofa, quite big, and it's of course from IKEA. So IKEA is one of the places from where you can get all these things, furnitures, covers. There is out is like a balcony and a window. I cannot show you much there because it's already dark and there are blinders there, but it's quite beautiful. Maybe later in this video I will insert some picture of the balcony so that you can see. So yeah, this is the living space with a nice dining table, kitchen, fully stocked, and yeah, with all the amenities and including the toaster as you can see there, and kettles as well. Then there is also espresso machine, so you can really take coffee on the go. I'm not a big fan of the coffee, but yeah. Then the kettle, washing, yeah, and then there are some like cloth racks to really dry your clothes as well. So the down there is like a laundry room where you can actually wash your clothes, but you can always bring it up. And this is again like another hallway. Then there's another bathroom here. Yeah. Then you have a storage space over there. You can put stuff over here. Then even you can use that area. Then it has a nice space for to take shower. Here you can also hang your overcoat over there in case you don't have much space in your wardrobe. So the light is a bit dim, but this is the room, the size of the room, which is like a medium sized room. We have been provided with a television, then the storage space, desk and chair, small heating, then window with a nice facility of shades. You can see it's dark outside. Anyways, I shouldn't be making these noises. Then a laundry bag, king size bed. So yeah, and there is a bedside table, and you have like a rack to hang your clothes. As you know, like there is less pollution and at least dust in the air, so you can easily hang it in there. And the switch ports are here where you can actually regulate your plugs and lights, and they are quite protective, so you cannot usually leave your iron or like your hair styler on there, so it's quite like safety proof over there. And yeah, so this is how you can really regulate it over here. There are two switches over there, and you can also dim the light using these things, so you really can save some more energy by doing that. So the room is this is how it looks like, the medium size, and there are like furnitures already there, television, laundry bag, and these bed sheets are usually like more come in more like elastic form, so whatever bedsheet you have to buy is more like elastic form. So then the lights you can also buy it from IKEA. So one of the things in Europe is that you have to buy your own lights as well. So whenever tenants leave, they also take their lights cover and lights. So that's it for this video. So now I will end the video here, and I hope that you have enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section if you have liked this video or if there is any type of content you want to see in my channel. Bye.